Okay, you can see this is where I welded it. The crack was right in here. I went around here and up here. I put a little paint on there so I could see if any oil's coming out. But it's from there to there, so let's test it out. First thing we do is get all the air out of the cylinder. Do a couple cycles on it and start turning the pressure up. Now we're pressurizing the cap in. Turn the pressure up there. Okay, a couple more times. Okay, you got it. So what you want to do, if you ever have to do this on a machine out in the field, you want to make sure you get the oil out of there. You will never get a good weld if you got oil in the cylinder. Take the time to get it out. I get those cylinders all the time. The mechanics, you know, they're in a jam on an excavator or something, and then they try welding it, you know, and it just makes a big old mess, and they keep welding over it. And they end up shrinking the barrel, and it makes it worse because they're, you know, you get the oil out. Somehow get it out. You're going to have to figure that out. If this thing's up in there and all this is sitting with the oil, you're never going to be able to get that crack fixed. Okay, you got to get it out. And, you know, if you have brake cleaner or whatever to get it all off there, but you'll never get it sealed. It'll just make it worse. And then, like I said, I get them in here all the time. I got to grind all that weld off. And you got to V it out, and you use 7018 on it. Forget the wire. I've had problems with the wire in the past where I've done it with a wire welder in the shop, and then it leaks on me when I test it. So I've just gotten to the point where 7018 is only rod, period. If you want, and since I started doing that, I hardly ever have a problem, and I always usually get them on the first try. So there you go on that.